Hi guys. I know, who is this beauty coming at you right now? I know, who is this person? Anyway guys, of course I'm going somewhere. I cannot be dressed like this and I'm staying in the house, so I'm doing something in the house. No, I'm dressed up like this because I'm heading out right about now. Okay, Moms That Brunch is having her masquerade ball today. All right, and I actually didn't have plans of going for this event because I thought that I was going to be going for a wedding today. Today is Saturday, by the way. I thought I actually had a wedding to go to today, so I didn't plan to go for this event. I didn't, you know, make any outfits or anything like that. But just 2 days ago, it dawned on us that this wedding is for next week Friday. It was a traditional wedding that is today, and it's not even in Abuja. So I'm like, okay, you know what, I will still go for the masquerade ball anyways, but with something out of my wardrobe because I didn't have time to start making outfits or anything like that. But anyway, you might recognize this outfit from my last Shein haul. It's a top with faux pearl embellishments and a skirt. All right, I'll show you guys what the full outfit is looking like, but this is the best I could come up with for this event. All right, so anyway, this is what the full outfit is looking like. So it is a blouse, long sleeve velvet with a skirt. All right, and yeah, that's it. Well, I'm ready to go. Like this is what I have, and I'm wearing what I have. But I feel like my big hair really like emphasizes the whole look, makes the whole look come together. The red lippy, the bold earrings, giving me some sort of vibe that I love so much. Anyway, let's go wear our shoes and let's get going. It's going to be fun.
A Nigerian celebrity, but she has a mask on. I'm not going to tell you this. You know, we have different types of celebrities. We have Instagram celebrities, Snapchat celebrities, real life celebrities, Nollywood celebrities. I won't tell you how they're celebrities, but they're celebrities.
Why they laugh?
So what I'm going to do?
See my celeb here.
Some clues to help you figure out
with the pink
the
mask.
answer. Number one is already obvious. Abuja celebrity. Some of our celebrities from the United Kingdom. The person's birthday here is on the 1st of December.
How we know their birthday now?
Number three, she's a single mom. Yeah. Okay, goodbye. Is she Jackie Ben? Yes. Why? Jackie Ben. If you're absolutely sure that one of them is Jackie Ben, can you tell me the year the Big Brother she went for and the name of the particular Big Brother? Thank you very much. And of course, the first person to get the answer correctly is that lady at the back with the red mask.
See, fake Jackie Ben.
Okay, thank you. Just like the stars of the earth, light of my life, the only one I ever see so bright. Hey, you came around my way with your astonishing beauty. Oh, supernatural things, and no, that's all. Just the way you are. I love this nomination, Lord. You are not going to cry. Don't be angry. I love letting two people.
Is it your nomination? Best dress. Yeah, better. Para.
For that, I will ask you a very simple question. I know for a fact that all three of you were here in the beginning.
Yes, they came
and
and
that brunch trivia. Sitting on her dress.
sexy. Yes. They are.
And you know the best part of Benna's dress?
Well,
she made this herself.
She looks like a princess, like a Disney princess.
Keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving.
My baby. My darling. Yes, my love. I love you too. You love my videos? Oh, mama, that's the cutest thing ever. Oh goodness, she's looking at my channel on my phone. In fact, she watches my videos even on her tab. For some reason, she has rekindled the love she has for my videos. 2 videos? And 3 videos. Okay.
Mommy, 3 videos in my TV, yeah?
So she's been watching my videos back to back, you know, especially her older videos when she was a baby. So you see why it's good to just do this YouTube, because I feel like this YouTube is going to serve as like a memory box for her when she gets older, so that she can go and watch videos of herself when she was a baby. You guys get it? But it's so cute for you to tell me that you love my videos, girlfriend. It's so cute. I love you.
I love you.
Okay, so can we go to school now, please, darling? You're late. Can we go to school? You are late, girl. It's open now. But in the meantime, can I please put your lip balm? Please, this Hamatan is too harsh. You're happy. I'm happy that you're happy, my love. I love you. See how you're keeping your mouth. Yo, this is the champion song. Guys, hi, how are you? Hope you guys are doing well. So today is Tuesday and I am literally running errands. Okay, I just came out of Garki Market where I went to pick up a few things, but most especially I went to pick up something for my mom. So for her hair this Christmas, she wants to do, because she's going to be doing 1 or 2 travels, she needs to have her hair in a protective styling. Well, not protective styling per se, but in a style where she doesn't have to do much. Okay, so I have to go and find, well, she told me to please go and find a weave that she can use that will match her hair, because she wants to do like a ponytail, but she wants to do like a ponytail that she's going to wrap as a bun. Even my mother is, I don't know, my mother is this her guy these days. I'm not understanding. But of course, you guys know Momsy's hair is like all gray, like from roots to tip, all gray. It wasn't the easiest thing finding something that would suit her hair, but this is what I could find. I don't know if you guys can see. So it's a mixture of gray and black, right? But predominantly gray. You guys can see that. Yeah. So I even had to like video call her to be sure that, you know, this was okay. I think this is a Noble product. You guys, I miss the days when we used to use Noble products. Like, see, human hair has spoiled us, because back then it was Noble hair, Darling, Yaki back then, but this is like a Noble product. So I got this for her, and a couple of other things I also got. You know, I hardly go to Garki markets. Like, it used to be like my go-to market then, you know, when I was single. I used to go there all the time. But because where I live now, there's a market literally like in the same location, so I don't have to start coming all the way to Garki market. But yeah, that's that about market runs. So right now I'm just parked in front of GIG. I want to dispatch this to a brand. They sent me some things, but they are not my size, so I have to dispatch it back to them so that they can send me something that is my size. Then from here, where am I going? I'm going to grab a bite because I'm actually really hungry. It's 11:30, almost noon, and I haven't eaten today. So from here I'll probably go and grab a bite, then do 1 or 2 other runs. I was hoping to go to the arts and crafts today. By the way, the arts and crafts market in Abuja was demolished a couple of weeks ago, and I hear that they are still in that location, but obviously they're just like on the road or something. Then again, a few days ago I saw on See Abuja that they have moved somewhere in Idu, so I'm not sure. To be honest, I'm not sure, but it's also one of the things I wanted to do today. If I still have strength, I may. If I go, you guys would see. But I want to buy like baskets, like big baskets, storage baskets. I want to buy like 2, one for my office and one for Mia's room. The one for Mia's room, I want to pack all of her toys. You guys see all those her toys that are always scattered up and down. I want her to have one place for everything, okay? Almost like a toy basket or a toy chest. So I want to buy that for her. And then for my office, in terms of like PR packages and things I receive, most times I have them lying inside my wardrobe, taking up space in different parts of my office. So I also want to have like one place to be putting all of those things. Yeah, so that's why I would need to get those baskets. Then I think I might want to go to MASKED. You guys remember that I wanted to get myself a bag or two for my birthday, and I never did. Okay, this is December and I never did. So I have been wanting to go to MASKED, but I have not been able to go to MASKED, one of my favorite bag brands here in Abuja. And they just opened a new store last weekend. I couldn't go for the store opening because it was the same day as the Masquerade masked ball, so I couldn't go. But I really want to go there and pick maybe like a bag, I'm thinking, and I actually want to buy a red bag, so I may go to MASKED. So these are all the things I want to do today. If you guys see my to-do list on my phone, where is my phone? My to-do list on my phone, it choke. But anyways, let me first of all send this thing here at Chiaichi, and the next stop you guys would see. Beautiful and so cute. Hello. Hi. How are you doing? I couldn't come on Saturday, so I want a red bag. Yes, I want a red bag. Yeah. Oh, but then this green is so pretty too. Oh. Oh wow, this is actually really nice. Oh. Why did I see this green one now? I like that the green one has a glossy finish. This is not. I like that this one has a glossy finish. Oh, what do we do now? Even that purple is gorgeous. But it's pretty too. I came to buy a red bag, but I'm now loving this green bag. Is that so? Let me just stick to what I came to get.
Even if the sky is falling down, jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
I just came out of Kilimanjaro. That's where I went to eat. And guys, see, once I eat, the next thing is to sleep. I'm feeling so sleepy. I don't even know how I'm going to drive from here to my house right now because I just want to sleep. Okay, I just want to sleep. So I was able to do everything I wanted to do except going to the arts and crafts place. I can't do it anymore today. I'm tired. It's almost 2 p.m. Sun is blazing hot. I've eaten and I just want to sleep. Is that too much to ask? So I don't think I'm going there today anymore, but I've done every other thing I wanted to do today, which is a good thing. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys the bag I got at MASKED. It's so crazy because when I entered there with the plan to buy a red bag. Okay, I really wanted to buy a red bag. I don't have a red bag at all, so I wanted to buy a red bag, and I was now seeing different things that were now confusing me. If you guys would have seen me zooming into one lime green bag, it was so beautiful. That lime green bag was so gorgeous and I loved it so much, but I was not about to spend almost 100,000 naira buying 2 bags. No, I was going to buy just the one bag I came there to come and buy, and then when I can, I would go and splurge on a second bag. But I just bought the one bag, and of course a red colored bag that I initially wanted to go and buy. I saw all that lovely colors, you know, that lime green one, there was a yellow one, there was a pink, like they're just so pretty, and I felt like buying like 4 or 5 bags, guys, but that's not wise. This is the carrier bag. In case you are hearing, but my AC is on, but this is the carrier bag, guys. I wanted a big structured bag for a red bag. I didn't want like a flimsy bag. I wanted something that had structure, so I got this, right? You guys would have seen this already in the store when they were packing it up and all that, but just to show you guys what it looks like, this is my new baby. So this is my new baby from MASKED. Love it. It has like a woven detailing, which I like a lot. right? It's just so cute and so pretty. I absolutely love it. No regrets whatsoever. But I really that lime green bag, oh God help me, God help me that I don't go back there before the year ends to go and carry that bag, because it's just so beautiful and I really love it. I don't know, guys, there was even a purple one, like, oh gosh, so beautiful. But anyway, this is what I got for now. All right, love it. All right, that's that. Let me go to my house and go and sleep. I'll talk to you guys later.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.